art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Kenma Kozume. I hope I said that correctly. All right, so to start with, we are going to have the head up here, and then we're gonna just draw a nice arched line like so. And then we're gonna have a middle line coming down the middle, and it's going to go to one side, then it's gonna go to the other side, and then we're gonna have some little V's, and then we're gonna have some V's, there we go. Okay, so there is the hair, and it looks like we've got some strands coming up on each side. And it looks like we've got it going like so. There we go. All right, now for the eyes. So the eye is gonna start here, and it's gonna come in, and it's overlapped behind the hair like that. And then I'm gonna draw a little, what would you call that? A zigzag coming down. We've got another line coming up here and another line right here for the eyebrow. And then we've got the same thing over here. So an arched line coming down, then another arched line at the bottom. And then we've got a line like so. We've got another little line here, and then we've got the eyebrow line above it. All right, then for the nose, it looks like we've got a little line here, little line like so, and then the mouth is just right down there like that, and then the chin comes down and then back up. It's very pointy. And then we've got the neck coming down like that. We've got a little V thing under there for the voice box, Adam's apple, and we've got some lines coming out. All right, then we have a curved line here for the shirt, and then the shoulders come down. And we've got another curved line here for the basketball jersey. Okay. And then we've got a curved line here with the shoulders coming out. And then there's the arm. Same thing over here. Here's the basketball jersey coming down. Across the arm, the inside. Looks like he's number 5. Looks like I'm running out of room here. We'll crop it. There we go. I think I got it there. Bring those all the way down. We've got some little shirt folds. There we go. And there is your anime character. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.